Hi friends, today in our class we are going to refer the last year paper of sociology of second PU students. Let's start our class. The first question is give one definition of social movement. Here you can write any one definition that you remember perfectly. Here I am right. MS according to MS Rao defines social movement is an organized attempt on the part of a section of the society to bring about their partial or total changes in society through collective mobilization and an ideology. The next question is write two problems of Indian village community. You can write any two problems that you remembered: illiteracy and poverty. The third question is mention any one committee appointed by the government of Karnataka to study agrarian crisis. Means the agriculture farmers problems to study. The answer is Dwarkanath committee and GK Viresh committee. You can write any one committee name. The fourth question is mention any two traditional business committees of India, Marwadis and Banias. The fifth question is mention any two functions of mass media, entertainment, information and national consciousness. You can write any two functions of mass media. Mention any two dominant castes of Karnataka. The dominant caste of Karnataka is Lingayat and Vakkaligas. What is demographic dividend? You can write here using your own words. It's better. What you understand, you write in your own words. It means demographic dividend means it refers to demographic or population advantage which is obtained due to the numerical domination of young people in the population. The next question is mention the overall sex ratio of India according to the census 2011. The answer is 940. What is Tawazis? The answer is when matriarchal family, Tarwad family becomes too large, it is divided into Tawazis. Means when the matriarchal Tarwad family become too large, it divided. We can call that is Tawazis. Understand? The next question is mention any one duty of Karta. Karta is a patriarchal family, means is the head of the male member of the family. His duty is like he commands the family. He holds the supreme authority in the family. The next question is define McDonaldization. It is the process by which the principles of the fast food restaurant are coming to dominate more and more sectors of American society as well as the rest of the world. The next question is who is the author of the book Caste and Race in India? You can remember the author J.S. Gurre. Mention the meaning of the term Dvija. Dvija means twice born. The next question is when was the Sati system abolished? You can remember the year 1829. Expand SKDRDP. The full form of SKDRDP Sri Kshetra Dharmasthala Rural Development Project. Who considered Indian villages as little republic? Charles Metcalfe. The answer is Charles Metcalfe. Write any two solutions of urban population. The solutions for urban population is systematic development of cities and the creation of jobs. Because for the purpose of jobs, the village peoples migrate from villages to cities. And it is first check the migrational regional planning to provide the employment for village at their own native places is one of the solution to control the urban population and also control the migration of people from village to cities. It better you can write in your own words. The next question is, mention four varnas of ancient India. The answer is Kshatriya, Brahmins, Vaishyas, Shudras. Mention any two Akashvani stations of Karnataka. You can write any two which you remembered, like Bangalore Akashvani Center, Dharwada, Mysore, and Bhadravati. Mention any two advantage of internet lending in self-help groups. So the answer is the two advantages means it develop a habit of savings and it can develop the skill of financial management. So these are the questions carrying 1 mark and 2 mark questions of last year paper of sociology for PU students. Thanks for listening.